All right, as you can see, we have the shop in the truck.
What?
Take two. As you can see, we have the truck in the shop. And we're gonna start cutting. I'm having a hard time with these rivets because the center section of this pop-out rivet did not come out when only bad thing about drilling out rivets is they always stick to the drill bit and I have to get pliers. Thank you. Got the same situation with this rivet right here on the top and bottom hinge. This is the last door hinge that I need to drill out. Well, top and bottom. All the doors are off. Now we're going to start taking these top pieces off. Oh, who knew? It's supposed to go the other way. Whoa! Almost fell out of his nest. This one closer to the cab is not as simple to just slide out because this piece keeps it from sliding out that way. So with that being said, since I'm cutting this whole entire top piece off anyways, I'm not going to waste my time or cut off wheels on that. I'm just going to go ahead and scalp this whole thing and take it off all as one piece. And since these pillars are coming off all the way back, I'm contemplating cutting everything all the way across all at once and then just lifting this whole thing off. That would be super satisfying, but it would also, I feel like, take a lot longer. This is cutoff wheel number 2. Seems like it's never ending with stuff that I have to take out of this bed before I can do something else. But I need to take this tray out so that way I can finish getting this center divider out. There's the tray. Here's a little bracket that the tray sits on. I'm going to keep all this stuff because I'm probably going to reuse it. We have a couple more tack welds down in here that I need to grind out before I can take this divider all the way out. So I'm going to go ahead and get cutting those. We have one spot weld right there that I cannot get out with the grinder because the grinding wheel does not fit in that crevice. So I'm going to come back from this backside with a flathead screwdriver with a striking end on it, and I'm going to go ahead and just blow that spot weld out from the other side. And we missed the spot weld. All right, my screwdriver's stuck. All right. There's that. All right. We're gonna get ready to pull this bed. I just got done getting all the wiring for the clearance lights and marker lights and whatnot pulled down. So basically now all we got to do is remove the bolts holding the bed to the frame. Ready?
Yeah.
Ow. What did it hit?
Huh?
Did it hit you in the face?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
You're good.
All right, filler neck rivets have been drilled out. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this thing down. Only got a couple of metal shavings inside there, no big deal. So as you can see behind me, we're doing some very non-OSHA approved activities, so don't tell anybody. Level your bucket or your squirts. Okay, go that way. Doing this with the skid steer and the bumper jack on the rear by itself was just really not working out. Bed was teetering and making me really nervous. So we're gonna use an excavator on the other side, skid steer on this side, and then bumper jack on the rear. So that should be golden and should be able to get this bed up in the air as high as we want, no problem. You look like you're in jail.
I'm an expert.
Way slower.
Is it?
Okay, so it is showing that we have a temperature light on and an F04 code. Got out the manual. F04 description, insufficient input air pressure. Okay, walk over to the air compressor and it's not plugged in. Shake my head. All right, the plasma cutter made super quick work of this, but I got that notched out at 3 inches, that notched out at 3 inches, cut this support up so I can do the same thing as the other side. I got this piece cut out right here. Oh no, I did that the other day actually, but I did trim out all of the like seal guide, I guess you could say, and I also cut out this tray right here, which was right here. That went by so quick, I don't even really know what to do now. I just feel like I should still be cutting, but there's nothing else to cut, which is dangerous because that'll lead you to cut stuff you shouldn't be cutting.